What's going on, everybody? Let's check out the FlightRadar24 and see the most tracked flights for today, 3/9/2026, and the most, and the airport disruptions around the world. Let's look at the airport disruptions. There's also a map for airport disruptions, and this gives the most. You can zoom in on this. FlightRadar24.com. Myrtle Beach International Airport right now in South Carolina is having a disruption index of 5.0. Major problems with long delays and several canceled flights. The orange, the green is good to go. Almost not much disruptions. The orange is moderate. Minor problem. Moderate is 2.0 to 3.4. Minor problems with some delays or few cancellations. Quebec City, John F. Kennedy Airport, International Airport, New York, Houston P. Lobby Airport, Fort Lauderdale, Savannah Hilton, in North America. Nighttime in this part of the world, Europe and Africa. Not much data on disruptions in Africa, South Africa, Cairo, minor disruptions, Tel Aviv, major disruptions, major problems, long delays, several canceled flights, and Bahrain and Doha, major problems. So there's a new map to look at. Tel Aviv, Bahrain, Doha, Ahmedabad, Myrtle Beach, Almaty, Quebec, London, Delhi. So let's look at the, and lately it's just kind of been like United States Air Force flights over the Middle East are the top tracked flights. This one here is this is the number one tracked flight, tracked by 10,965. So less tracked flights today than there was last Friday. There are less people on this app looking at this, but starting in Tel Aviv, took off 2:57 p.m. and it's a Boeing KC-135R Strato tanker. Country registration United States, age 63 years, military government plane, 38,000 feet, at least that's what it's showing. And looks like the plane is over Israel right now. Check out 3D view. Mediterranean. I think going that way. Looks like it's going towards the Middle East. Refueling plane. 226 knots. Yeah. So that's a refueling plane. Headed towards Middle East, or headed towards going that way. Number 2 track flight is just misconfigured or broken transponder, tracked by 6,285 people. And it's this plane here. And it's in the Persian Gulf. Although it's really hard to tell because there's like where it's going, where it's been, 22,000 feet. I really don't get much. It says misconfigured or broken transponder. It just has like lines going on. Nobody really knows. Number 3 is a Tornado 29. Tracked by 5,499 people. NATO OTAN. And I looked this one. So this one, this one is a. It's got radar and an early warning system on that plane. For other radar, it has radar for capabilities for other airplanes, as well as weather radar capabilities in that region. And this is the country of registration is Luxembourg, age 43 years, military government plane, Boeing E-3A Sentry, 33,000 feet, and currently flying over Turkey. Got a 3D view of that one. Alright, this is another plane that's also tracked by nearly the same amount of people, number 3 at the moment. This is a plane from Singapore, unavailable, not available. Looks like it's kind of getting close to Bahrain, or possibly flying into Daman, or one of those airports. It's flying in that area. Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Country of registration is Bahrain. So maybe it's eventually going to get to Bahrain. Passenger plane, 2,000 feet. And it looks like it's landing 174 knots, 176 knots true airspeed. Gulf Air. Here's a United Arab Emirates flight that's being tracked by 4,556 people from Dubai to New York. Scheduled to leave Dubai at 1:10 and arrive in New York at 8:50 a.m. Actual flight left at 1:45 a.m. and actual estimated arrival is 9:47 a.m. Airbus A380-861. Country registration United Arab Emirates. Age of the aircraft is 10 years. Passenger aircraft. Currently at 9,775 feet, increasing airspeed. Took off real recently. It's very early in the flight, 7 minutes ago, and it's got approximately 11 hours to go to get to JFK Airport, New York. Take a look at the 3D view of this plane. United Arab Emirates. And then one more. We got the number 5 worldwide, is tracked by 4,755 people. It's a United Arab Emirates flight. Dubai. That's all I got there. Alright. That one just disappeared. yeah. Anywho, I think let's all look at the um, just kind of check flight patterns and you know and that's about it. We'll check and see if there's anything unusual going on in the world. That seems to be the flight pattern lately. In that part of the world, a lot of the airports are you know closed airspace over Iran, Iraq, Jordan, Syria, Lebanon, and possibly even. I mean, it is middle of the night there, but it's still. Yeah, disruption index 5.0. Still having a lot of disruptions in that part of the world. Even in Cyprus. It looks like they've got scheduled takeoffs and landings there. Yeah, so when you got war, people close their airspace. And then war, obviously, over Ukraine. Airspace closed. Not a whole lot of middle of the night, really, in that part of the world. Yeah, so we got normal activity, heavy traffic in various parts of the world. And then we learned that this was volcano. These orange things are volcanoes. Yep, that's about it. So let's just we'll end it here today, and then go from there. Nothing too crazy as of lately. You know, there's that not a whole lot of air traffic in here, and then there's avoidance of Ukraine as well. People are going south of Ukraine. Anyhow, alrighty, have a good day.